Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing one of my final Halloween tutorials. This is a great last minute look. If you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm not in costume because I filmed this video back in August and the footage disappeared along with my external hard drive. So we're going to refilm it today, but luckily it is a great last minute look and it's also one of my favorites. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the eyes as per usual. I am going to be using, there's a fuzzy stuffy. I'm going to be using this eye pencil crayon. This is by Mana. Mana Kadar, I think is the name. And it is in color Jelly Bean. And it is this kind of mauve-y, neutral, sparkly gray. And we're just going to put this all over the eyelids. This look is super simple, but really sparkly and great for the last minute. So if you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are doing Peter Pan today, which is one of my all-time favorite movies. Not only by Disney, but in general. I think the animation is just gorgeous in that movie, and also I love the characters, and I love the mermaids, especially that try and drown Wendy. There's like stuff in my eye, so that's fun. But we're just gonna put this on so that our eyes have a little bit of color, but because we're Peter Pan, I didn't want to do like a full-on green crazy look. I feel like Tinkerbell would be better for that. If you want to do something a little more avant-garde. But this is last minute, so it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy. So now that we've blended that out, I'm taking a brown liner. This is a shimmery brown liner from Physicians Formula. And we're just going to put a little bit of this on the upper lash line. We just want to look like bright and youthful, like that never growing up kind of look. So I'm just putting some of this. This is a little hard to work with, I'm not gonna lie, so you might have to commit a makeup sin and pull your eyelid out so you can get the liner in there. But the liner is very subtle, but it is indeed there. So now we're gonna put some mascara on. I am gonna curl my lashes first. This is not my usual curling iron lash curler, but it also works. And I'm going to use the Rocket Volume Mascara. And this is in brownish black, so it's a little bit less dramatic. Okay, now we're going to do the eyebrows. In the picture, which I will kind of put here because I have a whole bunch of pictures of me in the costume, I used the Anastasia powder in caramel just because I had the big red wig on. But today, since I am just kind of working with my natural hair, I'm just going to brush out my brows and fill them in with the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. Now we're going to move on to the skin. I'm going to use the No Filter Blurring Primer from NYX. Now it's really up to you what you want to put on the skin. You can do a full coverage foundation, you can do medium coverage. I am going to just color correct a little bit under the eyes and then put on a tinted moisturizer just because I don't want this to be too heavy. I want it to be very quick and out the door. And then we're going to conceal with the Makeup Revolution concealer. Now to give the face a little bit of shimmer, I'm just going to use this Nude Wear bronzer from Physicians Formula on a big fluffy brush and kind of mix all 4 colors together. And you can just kind of go around the face. Then I'm going to take just a touch of the Mary Luminizer from the Balm, and we're going to put this on our cheeks. For the lips, I'm going to be using this natural color enhancing lip balm. It's called Aero Boost, and it looks clear like this, but you put it on and it actually just enhances your natural lip color and gives you a little bit of shine. And for the final touch, totally optional, I am going to use the brow powder. I'm going to use the lightest color, and I'm going to do some freckles around my nose. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this last minute makeup tutorial. There's only one more Halloween video for you guys this year. I'm so excited to tell you guys what's coming up next, but we will talk about that at a later date once Halloween is over. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on your way out.